Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 24, 2026, Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 24, 2026, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, June 24, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 24, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, June 24, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 24, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.